Good evening, everybody. Am I audible? क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? Okay, वीडियो दिख रहा है आपको? Am I visible to everybody? Okay. Okay, so we'll be, the topic today is the knee pain, and we've all joined in because we are troubled by some pain or the other, and nobody likes living with pain. So we've come here. How many of you all are willing to take charge of your knee pain? Give me a thumbs up. Nobody is willing to take charge of their knee health. I'm sure everybody is willing to take charge of their knee health. Nobody wants to eat tablets and tablets and tablets. Do we want to eat? Yes. So now we are going to educate you about little things that you can do to take care of your knee health as a prevention. This is for, who is it for? This is for people who want to improve their quality of life and do not want to live on medicines. It is for those kind of people who are self-disciplinary people, who want to take care of themselves, come what may. They don't want to live on medicines. They want to be off medicines. Yes or no? Okay, so let's start. Okay. So I open the webinar. I'm Rachna, and I am a medical knee yoga specialist. And here I will be giving you a brief of how to take care of your knee health. आपको क्या करना है, how to make changes in your day-to-day life, what you should do so that you are relieved of your knee pain. And some people are also, they can postpone their operations. We all know that osteoarthritis is increasing like anything. What was there, a disease of the 60s, today it's become a disease of the youngsters. We are not sharing any video as of now. You just, you should be able to see me. Are you able to see me? Is everybody, am I visible to everybody? Is my face visible to everybody? Okay. Yeah, so that's it. I'll be, no video is being shared right now. Okay. तो कितने लोग, how many of us start our day with drinking water? छोटी सी बहुत बेसिक चीज है. आप लोग कितने लोग सुबह उठ के पानी पीते हैं? How many of us? Please write in the chat box. Let's make it very interactive. And as a couple of you all said, you want to take charge of your knee health. So I think we need to be very, very active and think about what can be done and what are the little changes that we can make in our day-to-day life that is going to make big changes in our health. Okay, so many people drink water. तो कितने लीटर पानी पीते हैं आप लोग? How many of us drink 2.5 to 3 liters, or we are conscious about drinking water? Excellent. Some people are conscious about drinking water. Can you tell me how is the drinking water related to your knee pain? Tell me. I know in a lot of cities it's very cold, तो आप warm करके पी सकते हैं. It flushes out toxins. Excellent. We are so aware. Yes, it helps in movement. Okay. Anything else? How does the water help you? Anybody? Please let's make it very interactive. We don't have it stand and drink. Okay. Okay, that's another thing, but we are talking about why is water important in our knee pain? That's what we are talking about. क्यों जरूरी है हमारे knee pain के लिए? I'll explain to you. जो हमारी muscles है ना, उसको nutrition पहुंचना चाहिए. Yes or no? We need to give nutrition to the muscles, the big muscles. How is it going to work if you don't give nutrition? आप अपने body को खाना नहीं देते तो body चलती है. In an Indian system, all of us have fasted sometime or the other. How do we feel? Nutrition नहीं गया. We feel energy less. Similarly, जो हमारी muscles है, उसको आप nutrition अगर नहीं पहुंचाएंगे, तो क्या होता है, it also becomes dead. It cannot do anything for you. तो आप ऐसा समझिए, the water is helps you in transporting the nutrition. Do you know that many people who keep having cramps, if they just start observing their intake of water, if they just start drinking 2.5 to 3 liters of water, they are just going to be relieved of knee pain and a lot of other joint pain. Why? Because आपने प्रॉपर पानी अगर इनटेक किया है तो न्यूट्रिशन पहुंचने में आसानी होती है. हमें लगता है हम तो सब खा रहे हैं, अच्छा खा रहे हैं, अच्छा पी रहे हैं, फिर मसल्स में प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो रही है? क्योंकि आप पानी बराबर नहीं पी रहे, टॉक्सिन्स नहीं निकल रही है आपकी बॉडी से. सम पीपल करेक्टली सेड दैट, बट द मेन रीजन इज द न्यूट्रिशन शुड रीच द मसल्स. ओके, तो आज से कितने लोग कॉन्शियसली पानी पीना शुरू करेंगे? 2.5 से 3 लीटर वार्म वाटर, कोल्ड वाटर, जैसे आप पीना चाहे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस? कैन यू प्लीज राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स? यस, excellent. पानी पीना is very very important. Okay, and how many of us are observant about the way we walk? कितने लोग चलने पे ध्यान देते हैं? How do we walk? I'll just show you. Many people, क्या होता है ना, एक छोटी सी चीज है. How do we walk? How many of us walk like this? Can everybody see me? Am I visible to everybody? How many of us walk like this? Or walk like this? Some people walk like this. And some people walk like this. Can everybody see me? How many of us do that? How many of us walk like this? You can't see me? Okay. Now can everybody see me? How many of us walk with our toes out? And how many of us walk with our toes in like this? अंदर की ओर या एकदम बाहर की ओर? How many of us walk like this? Honestly, have you ever observed the way you walk? हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है, हम कैसे चलते हैं? See, the thing is, we should walk parallel. जैसे एक रेलवे ट्रैक होता है तो पैरेलल हमें चलना है. आप अगर रेलगाड़ी को ट्रैक से बाहर कर देंगे तो क्या होगा? What happens if the train is out of track? Everybody's seen a railway track. It goes parallel. Now, if the railway track, if the railway train goes out of the track, what is going to happen? Ma'am, you need to check your internet because the rest of the participants are saying they can see me. Could everybody see me or should I show it again? Was I visible to everybody? Okay, तो बताइए क्या होता है अगर ट्रैक से ट्रेन बाहर चली जाती है तो क्या होता है? क्या होता है? What happens when the train is out of track? The track is parallel. Okay, accident होता है. So what happens? We are designed to keep our legs, feet parallel. But it's never occurred to us right from childhood कि हमें चलना कैसे. बच्चे को हम चलना सिखाते हैं, वो कैसे भी चलता है हम ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. Because we are not aware about these small postural correction. क्या होता है जब आप पैर बाहर करके चलते हो, your hip is rotating outwardly. तो उससे क्या हो रहा है? आपका अलाइनमेंट गड़बड़ हो रहा है. The line of gravity is not maintained. God has designed us that we should walk with our feet parallel. बहुत लोग टोस को अंदर करके चलते हैं, बहुत लोग टोस को बाहर करके चलते हैं. So how are we supposed to walk? Within our hip width distance. आपको फीट को पैरेलल रखना है बराबर. तो कितने लोग आज से ध्यान देके चलेंगे? How many of us are going to take care of the way we walk? Can somebody write in the chat box? Yes. तो आज से सब लोग ने कॉन्शियसली पैरेलली चलना है. नंबर 1. ओके, तो उससे क्या होगा? थोड़ा सा आपको तकलीफ होगा, बट धीरे धीरे यू विल इंप्रूव ऑन योर पोस्चर. ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस सिट स्ट्रेट? कितने लोग सीधा बैठते हैं? अभी भी आप लोग जब वेबिनार देख रहे हैं, कितने लोग कॉन्शियस है कि स्पाइन सीधा है या नहीं है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस? I think most of us let our back go for a holiday, let it slouch, we don't care. हमें तब नहीं समझ में आता है कि ये प्रॉब्लम्स जो आज आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, लॉन्ग टर्म it becomes a big problem. And then what happens? We eat tablets after tablets, we run to the orthopedic, we get anxious, and all kinds of problems starts. Okay, so you need to work on your posture, very, very important. ओके सीधा बैठना है, स्पाइन को स्ट्रेटन करना है आपको. जिसको स्पाइन को स्ट्रेटन करने से बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, व्हेन आई एम टेकिंग द ऑनलाइन सेशन, सिट स्ट्रेट. पीपल से मैम इट्स पेनिंग. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाई डज इट पेन टू सिट स्ट्रेट? गॉड हैज डिजाइन्ड अस टू सिट स्ट्रेट. तो जब हम सीधा बैठते हैं तो हमें दर्द क्यों होता है? व्हाई इज इट दैट सिटिंग स्ट्रेट गिव्स अस पेन? कैन एनीबडी टेल मी? In the chat box, any answers? When we sit straight, why does it pain? Doing something right, should it pain? Yes or no? No. So then why does it pain? You're not used to it. We are used to all the wrong things. All the wrong things we are used to. It's not the stiffness of muscle. The spine is designed to be straight. Okay, बहुत लोगों को ये सब बीमारी होती है. The spine is curved. Lot of things that we use in medical yoga is all sorts of spine problems like lordosis, kyphosis, to name a few. तो क्यों होता है ये? Because we are not used to sitting straight. Okay, so people please try to understand, आपको सीधा बैठने की आदत होनी चाहिए. Initially it will pain, agreed, but slowly as you develop the habit, the pain will go away. Okay, how many of us, why do you think this problem of joint pain has increased tenfold today than what it was in our parents' time or in our grandparents' time? Why is it that it has become so common these days? When I take up online sessions, there are people in their 30s who are having knee pain. Isn't it shocking? Even the younger generation, our children, what are they going to face? 30s, they are having their knee pain. We have forgotten walk. Ma'am, please explain, how have we forgotten to walk? Lifestyle is wrong. Madam, problem is that 30s से आपको knee pain क्यों हो रहा है? Because of this lifestyle, lazy lifestyle. Not only that, sedentary lifestyle. और दूसरा important factor क्या है आपको मालूम है? हमारी बॉडी जो है एसिडिक हो रही है. इट्स वेरी एसिडिक. वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. हम खाते रहते हैं. वी ईट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ pizzas and burgers and lot of loaded with overload cheese. I think Domino's comes up with all these kind of pizzas and we just love it. Yes, it tastes very good. अंदर में जाके क्या हो रहा है? It's creating an acidic body. So now how is acidic body connected with knee pain? Can anybody tell me, is an acidic body connected with knee pain? Yes or no? Anybody? Anybody among the 136 participants? It is. So we are well aware about it that an acidic body is connected with knee pain. What happens, I'll tell you. How many of us are conscious about taking calcium? We go to the doctor, doctor says calcium lena hai aapko. We take calcium. We take दूध, we take दही, we take पनीर, फिर भी कैल्शियम इनफ नहीं है आपके बॉडी में. क्यों नहीं है इनफ? Why is it not enough? Because what happens when your body is acidic, so the body has to maintain a pH level which is 7.4 or more. तो क्या होता है? It takes it out from the bone and puts it in the blood. Did we know about this? And we think that we are eating everything, still the body is not getting enough calcium. तो कहाँ से मिलेगी आपको कैल्शियम? जब आपका बॉडी एसिडिक है तो उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए बोन से लेके ब्लड में डालना पड़ता है बॉडी को, टू मेंटेन द होम्योस्टेसिस. So what do we need to work on primarily? That our body should not be acidic. आपको डाइटरी चेंजेस करना है उसमें. एसिडिटी नहीं क्रिएट करना. एन एसिडिक इन्वायरमेंट इज अ रीजन फॉर डिजीज. डू वी नो दैट? वी जस्ट नो, हाँ वात की प्रॉब्लम है तो उसके लिए जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम होता है, आयुर्वेद में ऐसे बोलता है, बट वी डोंट गेट इनटू द डिटेल्स. आर वी एबल टू अब्सॉर्ब द कैल्शियम? कैल्शियम अब्सॉर्प्शन हो रहा है? बहुत लोग जिनको थायराइड है उनको कैल्शियनियस बोन होता है, क्रिस्टल्स बन जाते हैं. सो वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारे बॉडी में एट ऑल कैल्शियम अब्सॉर्ब हुआ या नहीं हुआ. हम टैबलेट्स खाते हैं. लॉन्ग टर्म व्हाट हैपेंस इफ यू ईट टैबलेट्स? Your kidney gets affected if you have too much of calcium tablets. Do we know this? How many of us know that कैल्शियम टैबलेट्स आप लगातार नहीं खा सकते? तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं जैसे कैल्शियम आपके बॉडी में अब्सॉर्ब हो? What can be done so that the calcium gets absorbed in the body? What are the necessary things for the calcium to get absorbed? Can anybody tell me? कैल्शियम को absorption के लिए क्या जरूरी है? What? Vitamin D? Yes, of course. So what do we get vitamin D from? From the sun. The nature gives us so many things. जिसके लिए दो that you get free of cost. You don't need to spend even a penny. आप जो tablets पे खर्चा कर रहे हैं, spend some time for a sun bath. You will see lots of pains and aches get over. You can keep your water in the sun in a glass bottle. Lot of things, you know, you can do and inculcate in your daily life which will give you a pain-free life. Okay? मैग्नीशियम, आपके बॉडी में मैग्नीशियम कंटेंट बहुत जरूरी है टू अब्सॉर्ब दैट कैल्शियम. मैग्नीशियम ऑल्सो टेक्स केयर ऑफ लॉट ऑफ एंसिलरी थिंग्स लाइक इंसोम्निया है किसी को, इट टेक्स केयर ऑफ दैट. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव कॉन्स्टिपेशन प्रॉब्लम्स, इट टेक्स केयर ऑफ दैट. आपकी बॉडी में अब्सॉर्प्शन इजी करता है, कैल्शियम अब्सॉर्ब हो रहा है. सो फ्रॉम टुडे आर वी गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन टैबलेट्स? जस्ट टेकिंग टैबलेट्स? No, we will give them additional things so that environment is created to absorb calcium. Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. Let me see a thumbs up. Okay, so vitamin D, magnesium. अभी magnesium किस में मिलता है? Can anybody tell me in what things do we get magnesium? In what do we get magnesium? Banana, seeds, very, very important. In seeds, you get a lot of magnesium. So please try to inculcate these things in your diet. Google करिए. Today it's so easy. You can Google and find out किस चीज में आपको क्या चीज मिल रहा है. So today we will not focus on taking calcium. You go to the doctor, he says take calcium tablets. First come and see. Make your dietary changes. Don't run on tablets. कितने लोग यहाँ पर पेन किलर खाते हैं? How many people are with so much of pain that they cannot do without a painkiller? How many of you? How many of us are on painkiller? If you cannot take banana, you can take something else. See, there are always substitutes. We have to be a little innovative with our body. We have to be one with our body. We have to understand कि आपके body में किस चीज की कमी है. Nobody can make you understand. You understand your body well. What is making your body acidic? सुबह से क्या आप ध्यान दे रहे हो कि आपने जो चीज खाया आपकी बॉडी में एसिडिटी क्रिएट हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है? We don't consciously even think about it कि बॉडी में एसिडिटी नहीं बननी चाहिए. Not only for joint pain, for any kind of disease, acidity is the environment for disease. You're calling diseases if you have acidity in your body. Okay, तो ये सब चीज ध्यान में रखना है कि what are we going to do so that the calcium हमारे बॉडी में absorb होती है. Okay, how many of you all do exercise in the morning? बहुत लोग एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, योगा करते हैं, फिर भी उनको नी पेन होता है. कितने लोग ऐसे हैं इस वेबिनार में? How many of us are into yoga? I think most of us, thanks to बाबा रामदेव, कि हम सब एक्सरसाइज करते फिर भी हमें लगता है, हम सोचने बैठते हैं कि क्या हो गया, why am I getting this knee pain, this back pain every day? How many of us think like this? कितने लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि हमने तो एक्सरसाइज भी किया, मेरा वेट भी ज्यादा नहीं है, फिर मुझे क्यों प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है? What happens, I'll tell you, we are not doing the mindful yoga. In medical knee yoga, we are teaching you how to modify things. How many of us force things? आपको दर्द हो रहा है, आप उस पोज में बैठे हो क्योंकि आपको किसी ने बोला है, ओके। बहुत लोग मेरे ऑनलाइन सेशंस में आते हैं, वो लोग बोलते हैं कि मैंने तो वज्रासन किया, 15 मिनट बैठती हूँ मैं वज्रासन। Now, what happens when you sit in Vajrasana? It's a very good exercise for your digestive system. So, ma'am, you only told that body को acidic नहीं बनाना है. Yes, agreed. I did tell you कि body को acidic नहीं बनाना है. But क्या मैंने ये बोला कि आपसे जो नहीं होता है, वो आपको करना है? बिल्कुल नहीं. It's a strict no-no. कि आपको joint में pain हो रहा है. Did you know that knee is the biggest joint? You cannot force things on the knee, because you have to work on your muscles which are above and below it. You have to work on your hip joints till those portions become untight. You have to be a little patient. You cannot do certain exercises. क्या आपको ये पता था? So 15 minutes of Vajrasana, how much of pull is coming on the knee joint? Imagine the knee joint is like this. Am I visible to everybody? The knee joint, this is the knee joint. This is the upper part which is connecting the knee joint and this is the lower part. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, ये मसल और ये मसल दोनों को आप अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं करेंगे, कोई भी जब एक घर खड़ा होता है तो नींव अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है तो वो क्या टिक सकता है? डू यू थिंक इट कैन बी स्टेबल? Do you really think it can be stable? Can the knee be stable if your muscles, the big muscles above it and below it, if it's not strong enough, if it's not strengthened enough, do you think the knee can sustain your weight pressure? No. So have we ever thought about working on those muscles mindfully? No. हमने कभी सोचा नहीं कि अभी अगर आप इसको नी को अगर खींचेंगे and these muscles cannot take it, ये muscles तो strong है ही नहीं, because most of us don't have strong muscles, especially the women in their 50s and above who have already finished their menopause. क्या होता है 3-4 साल menopause के बाद most people start with their knee pain. Why? Can you tell me? Can you tell me why the knee pain and the joint pain starts 3-4 years after menopause? Ladies, do you all have any idea, or did you all hormonal imbalance? Anything else? Anybody? She is correct. Estrogen level down हो जाता है तो bone loss शुरू हो जाती है. So we think, hooray, we are done with the horrible cycles, but we are in for further problems. Knee pain shuru ho jata hai. So what are we going to do? We are going to be very careful. People who are in their menopause, in their perimenopause, ki jo log nahi hain, who are young, they need to take care of their knee health from today. So that is what we do. It is a preventive as well. When you learn medical knee yoga, you start becoming conscious and focus on those muscles. जब आपकी muscle strong हो गए, तो knee आपका stable होना ही है. Your knee is a stability joint. What is the knee meant for? The knee is meant for straightening and bending. पर हम बहुत लोग, आप लोग में हो सकता है एक्सपीरियंस भी किया है कि नी हमारा ट्विस्ट हो जाता है. Okay, why does that happen? Because stability नहीं है, muscle strengthen नहीं हुए हैं, muscle उनको नहीं पकड़ा हुआ है ठीक से. So we need to take charge of it today कि आपको muscle का strength build करना ही है. You cannot, okay, I've done knee exercises, that is it, still nothing is working. Nothing will work unless and otherwise you exercise from your hips till the ankle. As I told you, you have to change everything. Right from the feet till the hips. क्या होता है ना, the body keeps adjusting. This is not your pain of today, mind you. Ladies and gentlemen, your pain has started 20-25 years back. आपको शुरू हुआ है 20-25 साल पहले. Example, if you are 50 years old, minus 25. So from 25, this has started. Now most of you all will think, how is this possible? We did not get any pain. You will not get any pain. Why? Because the body was adjusting. The body was doing nothing except adjusting. It gives you pain only when it cannot take in anymore. So why do we have these kind of eroded cartilages? Why? Because most of the times the muscles are either overused or underused. एक मसल को आप यूज ही नहीं कर रहे और दूसरे मसल को ज्यादा प्रेशर दे रहे, तो आप एक चीज का जो लिमिट है उससे ज्यादा प्रेशर देंगे तो वो तो टूटेगा ही. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is going to break down, and when it breaks down, it gives you pain. And then we go to the orthopedic and say, oh, eroded cartilage, abhi aap operation kariye. Khatam. So when we are doing medical knee yoga, many people, they more than getting pain relief, some people also improve in their quality of life और उनका operation भी कभी-कभी टल जाता है. And believe me, you can do it. You can do it if you are willing to do it. You have to take time out for yourself. And believe me, if you see these small visible changes in yourself, big changes is bound to happen. You can live a tablet-free life. Nobody likes living a life where you are constantly on tablets. आज थायराइड हो गया, डायबिटीज हो गया, नी पेन हो गया. It is endless. And when you have tablets, does anybody know that tablets से क्या होता है long term में? आपको क्या problem हो सकती है? Anybody in the chat box? With these pain killers, क्या हो सकता है long run में? आपने 5 साल 10 साल pain killers खा के बिता दिया, क्या होता है? What happens if we take kidney problem? Yes, not only kidney problems, lot of other problems happen. Liver problem, kidney problem. When we come 10 years later, अरे आपको तो kidney problem है. We don't understand कि ये हुआ क्यों? Did we try to get into the root of things that we need to take care of our health? We have to have a medicine-free life. Now today research is showing that medicines have big side effects. आप सोचेंगे नी रिप्लेसमेंट करवा लिया हो गया बात खत्म. नो, इट डजंट एंड दैट वे. यू स्टिल नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर मसल्स. किसी के लिए सक्सेसफुल होता है, किसी के लिए नहीं होता है. फिर आपको 5-10 साल बाद फिर तकलीफें आएंगी. डू वी वांट टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग ऑपरेशंस एंड ईटिंग टैबलेट्स? डू वी वांट टू डू दैट? नोबडी लाइक्स दैट. किसी को नहीं चाहिए. सब कोई, एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ and enjoy life, but all the enjoyment and the experiences of life is going away because हमें टैबलेट खा के जीना पड़ रहा है. क्यों जीना पड़ रहा है? क्योंकि हमने खुद में चेंजेस नहीं लाया है. तो खुद में आप चेंजेस लाइए. The moment you start making changes in yourself, things will work. Now, how many of us are aware about the way we stand? जब हम लोग बातें करते हैं, how do we stand? How many of us stand like this with weight totally on one leg? कितने लोग, आप लोग ने कभी ऑब्जर्व किया है कि ऐसे खड़े होते हैं हम जब हम बात कर रहे हैं या कुछ काम कर रहे हैं या मोबाइल में व्हाट्सएप देख रहे हैं, chatting with some old friend? How many of us have this habit of standing like this? Can you tell me why should we not stand like this? Have you ever thought about it कि ऐसे क्यों नहीं खड़े होना है? Ma'am, it has got nothing to do with obesity really. Okay, so people who stand like this, weight completely on one knee, what happens? We have a weight bearing axis. Okay, so the God has designed it in such a manner कि आपका weight दोनों पैरों पे left and right side में equally divide होना चाहिए, but नहीं होता है. क्यों नहीं होता है? क्योंकि हम ये सब जो करते हैं ना, डे आफ्टर डे, मंथ्स आफ्टर मंथ्स, इयर्स आफ्टर इयर्स, घंटों खड़े रहते हैं. वी डोंट रियलाइज वेट एक तरफ पहुंच रहा है. तो कैन दिस पुअर नी, कोई भी इस नी पे दया ही नहीं करता है कि ये नी बेचारा कितना लेगा. आप 50-60 kg ऑफ वेट और एक नी को तो कुछ नहीं है, वो आराम से है, और दूसरे नी पे इतना प्रेशर आ रहा है. So please be careful about the way you stand. Weight equally divide karna in both the legs. I'm sure all of us can do this. How many of us are going to work on this right from today? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up on the chat box. Okay. See, you have to design your own life. That is very important. We all have tons of problems. Thanks to COVID, we have our extended families. We have tons of problems there, and we all have to take care of it. But does that mean you don't take care of your own health? You have to. You don't have a choice. आप अगर खुद का ध्यान नहीं रखोगे तो आगे कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. So please be careful about it. About your walking style, about how much water you should take. Don't stand with the total pressure on one side. It will take away things from you, not today, another 5-10 years. It is going to happen sooner or later. So please be conscious about the way you are standing. Okay? So this is this thing that because your weight is so much that you have to stand on. That's all the more reason why you should not stand with one leg and putting all the pressure on one leg. If you put all the pressure on one leg, the knee is just about to crash. क्योंकि वो इतनी छोटी सी जॉइंट है और आपका मसल्स भी वीक हो रहा है. सो ओवर यूज कर रहे हैं हम एक साइड को और अंडर यूज कर रहे हैं हम एक साइड को. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ वी ओवर यूज एंड अंडर यूज मसल्स? And then the problem starts. Yes or no? Okay. How many of us are conscious about the way how we are wearing our slippers, what we are wearing? कितने लोग हम लोग शॉप पे जाते हैं, we just about any shoe जो हमें अच्छा लगता है, we just pick up. Do we ever bother कि हमने क्या पहनना है और क्या करना है? नहीं. Another reason for this knee pain is your footwear. Do you know the kind of shoes we wear is हमारी जो little finger है, the pinky finger, इतने narrow लोग जूते पहनते हैं that it comes on top of the other. So many people I've seen when I take up sessions. But we don't realize आप उसको अगर पूरा space नहीं देंगे, then how is it going to work? Did you know that 50% of the muscles and bones are in the hands and legs? Okay. तो आप उन छोटे छोटे मसल्स को स्पेस ही नहीं दे रहे हो. वो एक के ऊपर एक चढ़ के, जस्ट बिकॉज यू शुड लुक गुड फॉर अ पार्टी, you must wear good high heel chappal and move around. But friends, later on it is going to create problems for you. So why create problems for ourselves? Don't go in for fancy chappals, go in for soft sole chappal. Cushioning barabar honi chahiye. All the toes should get proper spacing. We need to activate the muscles of the feet. कितने लोग घास पे चलते हैं? How many of us walk on the grass? I think most of us don't. क्यों? Why? You need to work on hard surface. Walk. We all walk. हमारे घर पे tiles है, marbles है, हम उस पे चलते हैं. Are we really working on those muscles? The muscles of the feet. अगर उस muscles, वो तो muscles सोया ही हुआ है, उस पे तो काम हमने किया ही नहीं है. तो आप अगर उस पे काम नहीं करोगे, it doesn't know how to work. हमें हर चीज सिखाना पड़ता है अपने बॉडी को. बच्चे को चलना सिखाते हैं ना हम, तो मसल्स को तो यूज करना हमने सीखा ही नहीं है. तो अनलेस एंड अदरवाइज यू यूज दोस मसल्स, उस पे ही हमारा पूरा प्रेशर है, हमारा वेट पूरा फीट पे आ रहा है. बट मसल्स डोंट वर्क बिकॉज वी हैव ऑल द सोफिस्टिकेशन, ऑल द मॉडर्न लाइफ, एंड वी डोंट नो वेयर वी आर रीचिंग टू. फिर वो क्या होता है, जब वो मसल्स काम नहीं करते, धीरे 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 ऊपर नी पे आता है. हिप का पेन शुरू होता है, वो भी धीरे धीरे नी पे आता है, क्योंकि वो नहीं ले पा रहा है. इट हैज अ लिमिट, माइंड यू, इट कैन नॉट टेक बियॉन्ड द लिमिट. फिर वो आपको पेन देगा ही देगा. सो प्लीज बी कॉन्शियस अबाउट योर चप्पल्स. डोंट वेयर स्लीपर्स, ओनली वेयर सैंडल्स एंड शूज, एंड नो लेदर केसिंग. Proper chappals you can take, their fancy brands, Skechers and things, but be conscious about the soft cushioning. Work on your muscles, very very important. Unless and otherwise you work on your muscles, nothing can be done. As I'm telling you, you can do anything, but nothing can be done unless and otherwise you are conscious about it and start working on your muscles. Weight bearing axis को correct करना है, postural correction करना है आपको. Okay, so now we will be doing one exercise. Okay, so I'll just show it to you once, and then you tell me after doing it which part are we focusing on. So we are building upon awareness. Can I have a thumbs up from everybody? Is everybody ready? Yes or no? क्या सब लोग एक्सरसाइज करने को तैयार है? लगता है नहीं तैयार है. Okay, I got a lot of yeses. Okay. 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 Now can everybody see me? Can everybody see me? Okay. So I'll just show you an exercise. Take the support of the wall and lift your legs up. Just simply lift your legs up. Separate the toes. Separate the toes. Separate the toes. And keep it for as long as you're comfortable. And relax. Then the other leg. Lift up your toes. Toes को पूरा उठाना है. Separate the toes. Keep it for as long as you're comfortable. Please take support. Do not do without support. And relax. Was it visible to everybody? Was it visible to all the participants? Okay, can we try doing it once and experience which muscle are we working on? Please separate the toes, outer thighs. Okay, anybody else? कहीं पेन हुआ आपको? क्या हुआ? Please share your experiences. Calf muscles, hamstrings. Beautiful answers. I love the experience that you all are having. Hamstrings, okay. Anything else? Extension of knee, pain in knee, okay, pain in calf muscles. Okay, so now when we are, this was one example. Toe separation, okay. See, how do we do toe separation? I'll show the toe separation once more. Toe separation means just separate. See, now you are actively working on your muscles. Awareness create kiya aapne. Do we ever do this in our daily lives? Do we separate the toes? Yes or no? हम लोग पूरा दिन में कभी ये toes separate करते हैं क्या? Do we separate the toes? No. Do we need to separate the toes? क्या हमें जरूरत है toes separate करने की? क्या आपको लगता है हमें toes को separate करना चाहिए? क्यों करना चाहिए? Why? We are doing without it for so many years. Dorsiflexion, okay? I'm not asking about what flexion we are doing. I'm just asking, do we need to do this? Blood circulation, okay? See, I'll tell you what, if we don't separate these, what happens? These are very, very important webs, okay? तो क्या होता है? Very important acupressure points as well. ये muscles को अगर आप काम नहीं करेंगे, what happens year after year? Some people are not able to separate their muscles even at 30. When I go for my corporate workshop now, people are like shocked and they are like, so what? Big deal. Yes, it is a big deal. In your 30s, if you're not able to separate all your toes, you're bound to have the knee pain ultimately. क्योंकि ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो आपको इंपॉर्टेंस देनी है अपने लाइफ में. Okay, Big things are not important. Before those big things happen, we have to work on the small things. Yes or no? Okay, so now I'll be sharing the screen to tell you more about the medical knee yoga. You can sit and exercise, no problem with that, ma'am. Yes, you can. But awareness create karna hai aapko. That is what is very, very important. Okay. So I'm just sharing the screen. Tell me if you can see it. Okay. Can everybody see? I've shared the screen. This is from what our past participants are saying, how medical knee yoga has helped them. Can everybody see? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can everybody see? Is it visible to everybody? Okay. So I changed the slide. Okay, this is one of our past participants who just got pain relief within 3 days when she started doing the exercise. What I was talking about, the toe separation. So if you can read, she has talked about how the toe separation has helped her. She didn't realize that even these small things can make a big difference in her pain. So she was very happy to share it with us, and so that the world can come to know about these small changes which you can make. So this is from another participant who was restricted with his, was a fitness enthusiast, but even physiotherapy momentarily helped him. But when he joined this medical knee yoga program, his knee movements improved along with the breathing exercises that were taught. Okay, so now we come to the program content. Modified yoga poses. क्या आपको मालूम है, जैसे कि मैंने बताया, आप कोई भी पोज में आपको करना है, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है करना, we make you do in the modified way so that you don't injure yourself, you don't give yourself more pain. So we are looking for positive changes. Do you know that yoga is not one size fits all? You have to make certain changes according to the modern times. We are living in 2021. So it's a different world now. It's a digital world. तो आपको योगा आप जो करते आए हैं वो नहीं कर सकते कुछ चीजें, तो उसमें आपको changes करना है. You have to first work on your muscles and then you can get on to that poses. तो हम जब modified yoga poses करवाते हैं, it is specifically for knee pain. How to modify certain poses जो आप normally नहीं कर पाओगे due to restrictions, because you have knee pain, you cannot sit on the floor. So how do we modify them? Special breathing techniques for joint pain. Do we know that breathing is very important? How does breathing impact us? Can anybody tell me how does breathing impact us? Anybody? Breathing कैसे हमें impact करता है? It works on the parasympathetic nervous system. It calms the nervous system. Okay, तो pain signals किधर से आते हैं? Nervous system से हमें सारे signals आते हैं. So we do special breathing techniques for that. Acupressure points, very, very important, that stimulates that particular place. Postural awareness and correction, very, very important. Unless and otherwise you correct the posture, we work from the root. As I told you, we are not working per se the knee, but right from the hips till the ankles. We have to work on totality, holistically. Specific muscle stretching and strengthening. You have to work on specific muscles. Okay, and be aware of what is happening on those muscles. Knee alignment techniques. As I said, if you don't stand in a proper way, if you don't do a particular pose in a proper way, problem is bound to happen. Aapko alignment gadbad ho raha hai, you won't even realize. But the alignment is going haywire. So we work on those knee alignment techniques. Diet and detoxification techniques, very important. We give you certain diet tips within your range of food habits. You have to change nothing, but within those food habits, you have to change so that you can detoxify your body and make small changes for a better tomorrow to come. Correction of weight bearing axis. जो हमारा weight bearing axis है, as I told you earlier, it should left and right side दोनों match होना चाहिए. The weight should be equally divided, but नहीं होता है because of our own faults, which we of course don't know as layman. Okay, so we do correction of that weight bearing axis. Rope and belt traction. Rope and belt traction. Okay, so we have this particular traction for strengthening the muscles. So medical yoga therapy is aimed for prevention, palliation and restoration. So ये तीनों purpose के लिए है of osteoarthritis of the knee and other muscular pains. Okay. Who is medical yoga for? The self-care type people who are very self-caring, who want to take care of themselves, who are self-motivated. Knee pain patients looking for conservative methods of treatment, who are sick and tired of allopathy, which is taking them nowhere. Those are just temporary reliefs, believe me, and doing a lot of long-term damages in your body. People looking for preventives for knee pain. Jinko preventives chahiye. As I told you, for the women, once they approach their menopause, estrogen level comes down and the bone loss starts. So we don't realize, suddenly one fine day, why is this knee pain happening? This is the reason. Medical yoga therapy is taught in 4 classes of 1 hour 15 minutes each, once a week. Engagement is for 1 month. So we take up the challenge for 30 days. How is the mode? Mode is online. The session is starting from 11th February 2021. There are 2 slots available for the coming batch, Thursday 3 p.m. and Saturday 12 p.m. So if you wish to join, you can opt for any of the slots. Now, since you made an effort to come to the webinar, so we have a special price. Everybody likes discount. So we have a special webinar price, 1,500. The price is 2,000. We made it 1,500, which is valid till 10th February, 4 p.m. You can pay by Paytm, Google Pay, or bank transfer. Please do not forget to send the screenshot and mentioning your batch number when you make the payment. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. So now I have one of the participants who would like to talk about her experience. So she'll be joining in with us. Just a sec. I have one participant who will be sharing, then I'll take up your question answers. Asha ma'am, are you here?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, so can you switch on your video? So we would like to...
Yeah, I have switched on.
Okay.
I have switched on, yeah.
Okay. Okay, just one moment. Asha ma'am. Asha. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, I can't see you as of now.
I can see you.
Okay, your video is switched on?
Yes.
Okay, just a sec. Okay. Okay, so can you please share your experience with us of your...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Yes.
see, friends, I have been having osteoarthritis for the past, say, 20, 21 years. And as you all know, osteoarthritis is a progressive disease. Off and on, I have been having my problems. And off late, it was so bad that a few days I couldn't walk. And then I had to go to the doctor, who suggested that you go in for knee surgery and all that, then painkillers and all those things. though I have been doing physiotherapy exercises, it was limited to, okay, reduction of knee pain, but then lot of stiffness in the knees. And then I came to know about this webinar, joined the classes. I said, let me give it a last try. So many exercises we keep doing, so many things we keep doing, but the status quo is off and on, it goes on. But then when I did this course, I found it so marvelous. I must thank my stars that I made a decision to join these classes, because now the stiffness has gone, I can say up to 80%, 85%, my stiffness has reduced. I'm feeling lighter in the knees. And then I also added to my this problem of the knee, I am severely flat footed. So, flat footedness causes a lot of problems, including back pain, low back pain. Rachna ji taught us the way to walk. And I started from day one, as though I'm a small kid. I started walking the way she told us to walk also. Took a conscious decision and consciously I walk. The back pain has reduced. I've started taking regular walks now, and I have found it a marvelous course. If you all have joined this webinar today, I'm sure it will benefit you all. And those who have just started with knee pain, it is a must, because you will not allow it to progress further. In fact, now I'm feeling so happy that the burden of surgery is not there in my mind. I'm feeling lighter, because I feel that I will be able to manage the rest of my life without any other problem. So don't think twice, just going for it. And Rachna ji is an excellent teacher, because the small things she tells us to do, keep it in mind. In fact, what I have done is I have made notes of each of her videos, and then I have written down what are the things we have to remember, what we have to keep doing. And these exercises are easy to do. Wherever you're sitting, you're watching TV, or you're having your lunch, all those toe curls and all that I keep doing often during the day. So it is not very cumbersome to do, and you can include it in your routine very nicely. She taught us that we must start having leaf juices. I've started doing that from the time she has told me, and I feel very refreshed and nice about it. And the awareness with which she asks you to do these exercises, please follow her instructions right from the beginning, and it will do you immense good. I think I've shared enough, and I wish you all the very best. Don't
Thank you
think
so much.
twice about it. Just go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here.
Yeah. Thank you, Rachna ji. God bless you.
Okay, same to you. Yes.
Yeah.
So now I'll be taking up the questions, but please make sure that one person at a time, so that I can hear everybody and answer everybody's question and nobody's left behind. And in case there is anything else after this that you would like to ask, you can always put in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes. So, okay, Asha Gupta, can you, I'll just unmute you. Okay. Okay. Asha Gupta, can you unmute yourself? You raised your hand. Asha ji, are you there?
Shall I leave?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your presence and taking out time for us.
Yeah. You want me to be there? I'll be there. No problem.
You can be there, ma'am. No problem. That's okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Jigisha Das, you can write to me personally. I can answer you there. Okay. When is the next batch starting? Since this batch I won't be able to join, please keep in touch with us. We will surely update you. Okay. Yeah, tell me, there is somebody who would like to ask Prashanti Rajbal. Prashanti, can you unmute yourself, please? Okay, Prashanti, can you please unmute yourself? Yeah, who's this?
Hello.
Can you, yes. Can you please introduce
Yeah, this is
yourself, ma'am?
Prashanti.
Yeah, Prashanti.
Yeah, I'm Prashanti.
Yes.
My age is around 52.
Okay.
I'm having severe knee pain in both the knees, ma'am. When I took X-ray, they said the cartilage is almost worn out.
Yeah, that's always the case. Yes. Tell me.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
see, the thing
So,
is,
like, I just wanted to know, like, am I overweight? Is that because of that I'm having knee pain?
see, the thing
My
is,
weight is
weight definitely takes a toll on your knee. Definitely it does. But आपका muscles अगर strong है, तो I've seen a lot of people who are overweight, still their knee does not pain. So what I'm trying to say,
okay.
you need to work on your muscles.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. I'll keep in touch with you so that I'll be able to join the next batch.
Yes,
Because this
sure,
batch I
sure.
won't be able to make it.
Sure, ma'am. No
Yeah,
problem.
thank you
at
so
all.
much, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
welcome. Anybody else who wants to ask, please unmute yourself.
Yes, I want to ask. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you please introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, I am Veena Thakkar and I am 62-year-old.
Okay.
And I have both the knees are paining and I have taken advice from doctor. He has suggested me for knee replacement. As you
Okay.
know, they always tell. But I don't want to go for that. I just listen all your webinar attended today only. So I
Okay.
also want to join your this classes.
Okay.
And I'm an asthmatic patient also. So I
Okay.
can't take that juices, vegetable juices and all that.
Okay.
So how should I manage?
So we'll give you other solutions. See, as I said,
Okay.
lifestyle changes, खाने में changes जो आप करते हैं, there is nothing
हाँ,
that
हाँ.
you have to do. आपको कुछ अलग से करना है, because in our lives we can't do that. तो जिसका
yeah.
जैसा खाना पीना है, जो चीज restrictions है, जैसे आपने बोला आप
हाँ.
asthmatic हो, तो आप green
Yeah.
juices नहीं ले सकते हो. So we will look for different
Yeah.
alternatives. How we can work on that.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank
So
you.
I would like to join. So how shall I pay the money on? In which account I have to pay?
You have to pay in the. You are on the WhatsApp group, right, ma'am?
Yeah, I am on the WhatsApp.
Yeah, so I'll be sharing just after the webinar, after I finish with the question and answer, I will be share the details there. तो आप
Okay.
उधर ही पेमेंट करके स्क्रीनशॉट भेज देना और एक फॉर्म भरना है आपको जो आप भर दीजिएगा
Okay.
with the batches
Thank
and
you
all, so that we are clear about who's joining in which batch.
Okay. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Thank you. Yeah. Anybody else? Yes.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
I'm Meera Travla. I'm 57. I actually yesterday walked the staircase, and it was such a long staircase that my knees, I mean, I have this problem, but now that since past 2 years, I've changed my diet, my lifestyle, I walk and everything. So the pain had gone away, but this walk of the staircase has really given me a terrible pain. And it was like a God answer that today suddenly I got this on the Facebook and I joined your this thing. I quite like to hear your full discussion. But the thing is, can you teach me something today so that I could get a little relief from this pain?
See,
I
ma'am,
would like to join.
so the thing is, like, you want to learn something right now? That's what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if you could teach one exercise that could give me some relief,
Ma'am, I already taught one exercise. Did you join in late?
No, that of course I learned it, but you think that would give me a relief?
No. See, the thing is, that was just a small example and trying to create awareness among people as to where it is paining, what is happening, how it should be. So the thing is, you have to join the class to, because I need to see a lot of things before giving you exercise.
Yeah, but then, you know, even I should be a little sort of satisfied with the thing that, okay, you know, kind of this could help me. What I'm trying to say is that.
Ma'am, the thing is that you would have to take a call. I will not be really able to help you in that. So the thing is, if you think you can trust and if you can, then it's your call. Because
Okay, so
it
you'll be
is
getting the
just,
details,
yes, I'll give
right?
you the details. Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
fine. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Okay, Preeti Kabra, I've unmuted everybody. So, Preeti Kabra, you can unmute yourself. There'll be, see, in my average, in my batch is 10 to 15 people. Krishna Mitra. Krishna?
Hello.
Yes. Preeti Kabra, you
Hello.
have to unmute yourself. Hardik Sharma.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, who's
hello.
this?
Hello.
Yes.
Preeti Kabra. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Preeti Kabra.
Can I just
Okay.
hear Preeti ma'am and then I'll get back to the rest?
Yeah,
Krishna,
hello.
you will have to unmute because I've unmuted everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I had fallen down about 2.5 or 3 years back on the railway platform.
Okay.
Some months after that, my pain has started. And now, after another year of pain, I finally went around to all the surgeons and doctors. I was told for a knee replacement and a compartmentalized knee replacement.
Okay.
That one side of the cartilage has, the gap has reduced quite a lot. And I do not want to do surgery. But I have a lot of pain, especially at the back of my knee, the calf, upper calf portion of the backside. And I have, in the mornings when I get up, even in the night,
The
sometimes
morning
I can't
stiffness.
sleep.
Okay.
Morning stiffness. Sometimes in the night also I can't sleep because of the pain. I keep getting up.
Okay.
So is there
I
any
know
help
it
for
is
me
very,
by
it
these
is
exercises,
very
or do I have
troubling.
to?
See, the thing is, your arthritis is of which stage? Do you have any idea?
I think it's, the doctor had written something like stage 4.
Please, I cannot hear her. Please make sure that you do not have any noise in the background. Let me
Doctor
hear
had written
Preeti ma'am.
stage 4.
Yes. See,
Stage
stage
4 he
four,
had written on the
stage
paper.
4, what you can do is if you build up on your strength, stage 4 में तो ऑपरेशन ही बोलते हैं, right? क्योंकि
Okay.
आपका स्टेज 4 है तो आपको ऑपरेशन ही करना पड़ेगा, बट आप जितना डिले कर सको, तो डिले करने का मतलब
Okay.
है यू आर ऑन पेन किलर्स, आई एम श्योर, राइट?
No, I'm not taking any painkillers.
Oh, that's great. You are
I'm
taking the
managing
pain.
with the whatever
Yes.
exercise I can do.
That's very good, ma'am. That you're not
And
taking
the
painkillers.
formulation.
Yes. तो आपको हम जो एक्सरसाइजेस करवाएंगे, हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि आपका ऑपरेशन होगा ही नहीं,
हाँ जी.
बट ये एक्सरसाइजेस आप करोगे तो आपका
Okay.
मसल स्ट्रेंथ बिल्ड होगा, जो आपको ऑपरेशन के बाद भी कई लोग
Okay.
हमारे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में जिनको पेन होता रहता है, तो उनके लिए ये वो डॉक्टर्स भी बोलते हैं आप मसल्स बिल्डअप करिए, स्ट्रेंथ बिल्डअप करिए, नहीं तो आपको ऑपरेशन करने के बाद भी तकलीफ ही
Okay.
तकलीफ होगी. So what I suggest is you can think about these classes and join them and do these exercises. Excuse me, can you all
Yeah.
please maintain the decorum? I cannot hear people. आपका भी turn आएगा तो same चीज problem होगी. Please try to understand. Yes. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, this is Krishna Mitra here.
Yeah. Can you speak a little loudly, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm 41 years old.
Okay.
And actually, like after roundabout, I'm usually doing my yogas and all. But recently, I've just got into jogging. Like I'm enjoying it. So
Okay.
would you be able to guide us in these 4 sessions? Like, as I want to preserve the knees, you rightly said that it is
Yes.
the courses for that too. So
Yes.
it would be beneficial, right, ma'am? You would teach, like,
Yeah,
like
that's what I said.
the
See, it's a
foot.
preventive also. कि आगे नहीं हो. Once you build up on your strength, it's a very logical thing कि आपका muscles build up है. The knee is held by those two. And right from the ankle till the hips, we will be teaching you exercise so that your total strength is built up and your posture is corrected and your alignment is worked upon.
Perfect, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, there
Can
would
I
be only
speak?
8 or 10
Yes.
people, right, in the batch?
It's 10 to 15 max, not more than
Okay.
that. Because I cannot
Perfect.
handle, I cannot give personal
Yeah,
attention
true.
for more than that.
Correct, ma'am.
Can I
Perfect.
speak now?
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Can,
Yes.
can I
Hmm.
speak? I'm Pratibha
Hmm.
here.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, thank you so much. At the very outset, I must say that it was a beautiful session. I
Thank you
really
so much,
enjoyed
ma'am.
most of the
Your
tips.
blessings,
Uh,
yes.
no, thank you so much, ma'am. I heard you even yesterday, and I was really impressed. It's really, really good. And I
Okay.
really work on my weight. And yes, I have immense knee issues.
Okay.
And yes, I started my walking. My major question is, I'm walking on a concrete road. And do
Hmm.
you think there's a difference between walking on a concrete road as well as on a normal road? This is my first question. My second
Yes, there
question
is.
being that
Hmm.
the dietary guidance that you would be giving us, will that also help me in losing weight, which will ultimately even help me with my
Yes, it will.
and
Yes, it will. It is a holistic way. As I told you, when I'm doing knee pain exercises and telling you the diet is not only restricted with, knee pain. It is the holistic
okay,
way you're changing yourself. So you're working
okay,
on your weight as well. Because weight is
okay,
directly related to your knee pain.
Hanji. And about the concrete road and the other one?
Definitely it's better to, walk on a concrete road. It's excellent and it's really, impressive that you're doing that.
No, because I do nearly an hour's walking I'm doing now,
But see, that
because
you
my
need to be
confidence level
careful.
has my
That you
confidence level has fallen down because of overweight and things like that. So
no,
because of that,
ma'am.
I really started
Ma'am,
working
please
on.
don't do that.
Yeah,
Don't let your confidence fall down at any
yeah.
time of life also. Whatever
No,
you are, be happy with that. You're working on it. That is most important.
so
आपने
I'm
उस पे
really
काम
looking
किया.
forward
How
to.
many people are even working on it? Tell me. So you are one of
I'm
the
actually.
lucky few who have got awareness and is working on it. That's fine. No need to lose your confidence.
Thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to getting immense guidance from you regarding
Thank you so
my
much.
knee issues. And in the sessions, also, just 1 month, do you think it's enough, or do we need to
See,
further
the thing
again get?
is, why we have this 1 month thing is like every week we have a class. And our
Uh-huh.
first class, we say it's 1 hour 15 minutes, but it normally goes up to 2 hours. Because each and every
Okay.
person, I have to see whether the posture is correct or not. Otherwise, it makes no sense. So
Okay.
the thing
Okay.
is, then I send you the instructions, the videos, and you keep sending back the videos to me. Because we are
Okay.
focusing only on knee pain. It's not a general thing that we are focusing on.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that way, 1 month is more than enough. Already Asha ma'am spoke to you. She has done that. And
Yeah.
there are
Yeah.
people of all age groups. So they are all able to follow nicely.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, and looking forward to it. And I'll be paying up immediately.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so
Hello,
much.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
hello, ma'am. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm Priyanka here. Actually, my
Yes.
surname is Hardik. Yeah. Sorry, मैंने first half part का आप miss किया.
अच्छा.
But मुझे last 1 year से I have been suffering from chondromalacia patella in my both knees.
Okay.
और left knee में थोड़ा ज़्यादा problem है. My age is 41 years.
Okay.
और डॉक्टर को भी दिखाया, then medicines last 3-4 months कंटिन्यू था, then physiotherapy भी स्टार्ट किया था. स्टिल अभी मुझे लास्ट 15 डेज से फिर से पेन है, नी में भी है, पर वो पेन थाई पे भी कभी जाता है, कभी कभी आई फील दिस पेन इन माय एंकल एंड हिप्स टू.
सी कॉन्ड्रोमेलेशिया पटेला जो होता है ना, वो नॉर्मल आपका जो ग्लाइडिंग है ना, वो बराबर नहीं हो रहा है. ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, राइट? इट कैन बी करेक्टेड वेरी इजीली.
ओके, इन लास्ट 1 ईयर से तो इट कैन बी करेक्टेड ना?
यस यस, इट कैन बी करेक्टेड.
एंड आई सॉ योर पोस्ट इन फेसबुक, तो यस्टरडे आई सॉ, तो मुझे लगा शायद कुछ इधर ठीक हो जाएगा. 1 ईयर से मैं डील कर रही हूँ. नो एक्सरसाइज, देन सूर्य नमस्कार ये सब इजीली.
नहीं, कुछ ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक इतना कुछ इश्यूज है.
बट इससे हिप और जो एंकल में पेन होता है, ये बिकॉज ऑफ दिस.
सी आपका वो सब चेक करना पड़ेगा पहले, पोस्चरल प्रॉब्लम है कि नहीं, आपका चलने का स्टाइल क्या है. दिस इज, ये एक चीज से शुरू होता है और फिर जाके कहीं और अटकता है. ये मुश्किल ये है.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, anybody else?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, I'm Parul.
Can you
Do
be a
you,
little loud? I
when,
cannot hear.
Hello, when ma'am. I'm offline classes.
I'm in Pune, ma'am. Where are you?
Mumbai.
Okay, I'm in Pune. So because of this COVID thing, we are having it online so that we can reach to many people. And you know the situation right now also in India. So people are very scared to, come for offline classes. We did have offline classes before COVID.
Okay. And second thing, you are only into knee pain or any other medical?
Ma'am, I have
yoga?
like so many people are telling me to start with back pain, general yoga, but I have so many knee pain sessions and so I feel whatever I'm doing, I should do justice to that. Instead of just one after the other, I keep having classes. So that's the
That's
reason
great.
I'm not taking up anything right now.
Okay, so I like to join your offline class whenever
Okay.
you start.
So how will you'll be coming to Pune all the way from Mumbai?
Yeah, I can.
You can. Okay. So keep in touch with me and you have my number and things.
I'm on your WhatsApp group, that's all.
Okay. 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 So you'll get my number. You can save my number and then keep in touch with me.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much. Okay.
हेलो मैम,
Yes. Can you please introduce yourself?
मैं राखी हूँ, असम
Hmm.
से हूँ। तो फर्स्ट
मैम
मैंने मिस
आपका
कर
नाम ना
गई।
मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से सुनाई नहीं पड़ा. प्लीज रिपीट करोगे फिर से?
राखी।
राशि. ओके ओके. हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
हाँ, असम से हूँ। मेरा भी ये प्रॉब्लम है नी पेन का। 45 एज है मेरी। तो 4-5 साल से आर्थराइटिस का प्रॉब्लम है। हाँ, तो मैं भी ज्वाइन करना चाहती हूँ। एक्चुअली फर्स्ट पार्ट में क्या हुआ, मैं 10 मिनट से ज्वाइन करी हूँ। क्या-क्या बात हुई ये मालूम नहीं।
अच्छा.
तो आप डिटेल्स आपको भेज देंगे ना?
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग आपको मिल जाएगा. आप रिकॉर्डिंग देख सकते हो. फेसबुक लाइव भी है ये, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप उसमें देख सकते
हाँ. अच्छा. और प्लस क्या-क्या करना पड़ेगा वो भी, ये सब क्या आप बोल चुके हैं क्या?
हो. नहीं क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा मतलब आपको क्लास ज्वाइन करना है कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है?
हाँ.
तो उसका भी सारा डिटेल्स हम आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, ये जैसे ही खत्म होता है ना, आई विल सेंड इट ऑन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. आप उधर फॉलो कर लेना. आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हो ना?
And if you don't have a knee problem.
ठीक है.
Hello.
Yes, can I have your name please?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can I have...
My name is Dr. Rashmi Bansal. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Hello, my name is Rashmi Bansal, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Actually, recently, in fact, recently what happened, it happened on 21st of January when I was coming back from my job. So after that, I had an acute pain and then I came back home. So then when I contacted orthopedician next day, they took in radiograph and in MRI it came that there is a sprain. Hello? Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
I can hear you.
It's a sprain in acute cruciate ligament.
Okay.
So they advised me rest and everything. So after 15 days now I recovered and I started moving and walking also. But my first question is why it happened, because no trauma was there, nothing, not even my knee was bent, nothing was there. And what I can do so that it will not happen again. I started doing my quadricep drill slowly. I am picking up that also. They said that a slight amount of osteoporosis also started in my joint, and they told me that if I will develop my quadricep muscles, this will help me to work out. But I'm quite worried why it happened. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, see, there are like it's. आपने बोला कि आप कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ, फिर क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि the thing is कभी-कभी ना हम लोग, जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया, I don't know whether you were there from the beginning. अपना
Actually, I missed it.
Okay, so we sometimes we in our daily lives हम लोग के चलने के posture, बैठने के posture, सोने के posture, we are unaware about it. Agreed, as layman. But वो ऐसा होता है ना कि आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, but alignment गड़बड़ हो रही है. So the line of gravity gets disturbed. So weight bearing axis हिल जाता है. तो क्या होता है ना, किसी ligament पे ज्यादा pull हो गया और वहां पर blood नहीं जाती है. So that's the reason वो पुल जब हो जाता है ना तो आपको दर्द देता है. तो डोंट फील यू नो दैट यू डिड नथिंग रॉन्ग. यस यू डिड नथिंग रॉन्ग, बट कभी कुछ हुआ होगा जो चल रहा था और धीरे धीरे मे बी दैट वीक पॉइंट वाज देयर एंड इट जस्ट ब्रोक ओपन दैट डे. दैट्स इट.
मैम क्योंकि मुझे सीढ़ी चढ़ने और इस सब में प्रॉब्लम तो हो ही रही थी. आई जस्ट यूज टू पुट माय हैंड ऑन माय थाइज व्हाइल क्लाइंबिंग अपस्टेयर्स. ये हो रहा था, काफी टाइम से चल रहा था.
योरसेल्फ. यस, कि आपको प्रॉब्लम है बट
Yes.
उतना आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया उसमें. कि ठीक है, बहुत टाइम हम लोग इग्नोर
Right.
भी करते हैं
Ma'am-
कि शायद ठीक हो जाएगा.
राइट. तो अभी ये क्योरेबल है मैम. कैन आई मैनेज इट? मतलब
Yes,
इट
yes,
कैन बी
you can.
प्रिवेंटेड फॉर फर्दर.
Yes, you can.
तो
But,
मैम मेन ट्रीटमेंट
only
व्हाट
if
विल बी द
you
मेन ट्रीटमेंट इन
do-
दिस?
See, the thing is, we don't give any medicines or anything. हम लोग सिर्फ आपको जैसे breathing exercise करवाते हैं, acupressure points बताते हैं, फिर आपको exercises करवाते हैं, modified yoga poses करवाते हैं, to build up on your strength.
Right.
So that's the only way
Okay.
I know. I don't know of any medicine because I'm not a doctor that to give you allopathy medicine. So I have no medicine to give.
So how I can join you, ma'am, for that?
Are you there on WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I am there on WhatsApp group.
So I'll be sharing this just after finishing and answering everybody's question. I'll be sending the details so you can join by paying and sending the screenshot.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Fine.
Yes, thank you so much. I hope I've answered all your questions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Can you please introduce yourself? So that I
ma'am,
can
I
get-
Ma'am, I am Simi.
Simi. Okay. Yes, tell me, Simi.
Ma'am, can I speak in Hindi?
Yes, you can definitely.
हाँ जी मैम, मुझे एक्चुअली अभी लास्ट 1 मंथ से ना थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आने लगी है इसमें.
घुटने में दर्द है, घुटने से
जब मैं
कमर में आ
चलती
रही
हूँ
है.
मैं लेफ्ट में नी में मेरे पेन होती है. तो मैम लास्ट ईयर मुझे डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस चेंजेस स्टार्ट हो गए हैं मुझे. एंड माय एज इज 41 मैम.
तो आपका
मैम
मेनोपॉज
अभी
भी चालू होगा ना अभी तो?
मैम अभी तो नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा, तो धीरे धीरे वो भी आने वाला है. वो आएगा, फिर धीरे धीरे मेनोपॉज हो गया, फिर एस्ट्रोजन लेवल कम हो जाएगा, फिर बोन लॉस शुरू हो जाएगी. तो उससे अच्छा है आप आज ही अपना बिल्ड कर लो स्ट्रेंथ मसल्स का.
मैम फ्रॉम लास्ट मंथ आई हैव स्टार्टेड नी पेन.
हाँ, सो व्हाटएवर, तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड टाइम कि आप अभी से होल्ड में लो उसको. वो जितना बढ़ जाएगा उतना तकलीफ आपको बढ़ेगी.
नहीं मैम, मुझे अभी से कवर करना है इसको मैम, बढ़ाना नहीं है.
हाँ, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. तो आपको बढ़ाना नहीं, क्योंकि द थिंग इज आपका एज भी अभी कम है. तो मेनोपॉज के आगे ही उसको आप पकड़ लीजिए कि वो और आगे फर्दर डिट्यूरेट ना हो.
हाँ जी, तो मैम ये अभी मतलब कवर अप हो जाएगा ना?
यस यस, आप करोगे तो. ऐसा नहीं कि हम हफ्ते में एक बार आपको करवाएंगे, आप कुछ नहीं करोगे, वीडियो भी नहीं भेजोगे, तो नहीं होगा.
मैम मैं तो अभी भी एक्सरसाइजेस कर रही हूँ.
नहीं, वही हम सबको बोलते हैं, मुझे भीड़ नहीं बढ़ाना है, मुझे वैसे लोग चाहिए जो करेंगे और करके, जैसे ये आशा मैम ने बोला, उन्होंने किया तो उनको रिजल्ट मिला. आपको नहीं करना है तो आप प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन मत करो.
नहीं नहीं मैम, करना है तभी तो ज्वाइन कर रहा है मैम. 1.5 घंटे से आपको वॉच कर रही हूँ.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, हम आपको नहीं, हम नॉर्मली बोल रहे हैं कि माने सेटिस्फैक्शन मुझे भी होनी चाहिए, आपको भी होनी चाहिए एंड ऑफ द डे. ठीक है ना?
यस मैम.
यस, ठीक है. आप कनेक्ट कर लो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, तो हम आपको डिटेल्स उधर भेज देंगे. आप
तो मैम 1 मंथ में कितनी क्लासेस होंगी?
4 क्लासेस, हर हफ्ते 1 क्लास.
जी 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 मैम. तो कितने आवर की मैम?
1.25 घंटा बोलते हैं, 1 घंटा 15 मिनट. तो पहला क्लास तो एक्सटेंड होता ही होता है, क्योंकि सबका वीडियो देखना करना, और नॉर्मली 1.5 घंटे तक चला जाता है एक क्लास.
ओके मैम. मैम आई विल एंजॉय.
हेलो,
थैंक यू सो मच. यस, कैन यू प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ मैम?
हेलो, मैं सुधा मोहता इंदौर से हूँ.
अच्छा, सुधा मोहता.
सुधा मोहता, हाँ इंदौर से हूँ. मेरे नी में प्रॉब्लम है. मैं हूँ 58 इयर्स की.
अच्छा,
मेरे नी में प्रॉब्लम है, उसके कारण कमर में हो रहा है अभी दर्द, और चलने में थोड़ी दिक्कत आती है. एक लेफ्ट साइड में ज्यादा आती है. डॉक्टर तो बोला नी डिस्प्ले यानी चेंज करवानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं एक्सरसाइज और इससे अभी ठीक है. लेकिन कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा दर्द हो जाता है। तो उसके लिए
हाँ बोलिए।
हेलो,
हाँ बोलिए।
हाँ, उसके लिए मैं ज्वाइन करना चाह रही हूँ कि वो ठीक हो जाएगा मेरा।
देखिए एक्सरसाइज आप कर रहे हो तो आपको उसका फर्क समझ में आ रहा है।
हाँ,
तो अभी
एक्सरसाइज से
और
तो फर्क आता है।
हाँ, तो अभी हम लोग क्या करवाते हैं, एक्सरसाइज भी करवाएंगे, ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज भी करवाएंगे, एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट्स भी बताएंगे, और आपको डाइट और वो सब के ऊपर भी ध्यान देना है, और
और
पोस्चरल
मेरी हेल्थ भी
करेक्शन भी
अच्छी
करना
है।
है। ठीक है।
मेरी हेल्थ भी बढ़ गई, बीच में ज्यादा दर्द था ना, तो
हाँ,
वेट
तो आपको
अच्छा बढ़
होलिस्टिकली
गया है।
उसको ठीक करना था, खाली एक्सरसाइज से भी नहीं होगा, खाली खाने पीने से भी नहीं होगा। तो जब हम लोग मेडिकल नहीं
हाँ,
होगा करवाते तो पूरे चीज पे ध्यान देते हैं।
नहीं तो मेरे को ज्वाइन करना है आपका।
हाँ, तो आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हो क्या मैम?
हाँ, अभी जुड़ी हूँ मैं आपसे।
हाँ, तो आप मेरे
आप
को कांटेक्ट करो तो हम आपको डिटेल्स भेज देते हैं, आप उस पे मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो पेमेंट करके, तो हो जाएगा।
ठीक है, ओके,
थैंक यू सो
थैंक
मच।
यू।
Hello, I am
Hello,
Beena.
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Beena.
Yeah, I am 68 years old,
Okay.
and I have knee pain on both the legs.
Okay.
And I had a fall 2 years back and had ankle surgery, and they put a rod on the left leg, but I have not removed it.
Okay.
Okay. So I want to know whether there will be, should I remove it, or will it be a problem if I don't remove it? Anyway, I would like to join your course. So you please send me the details on my WhatsApp.
Are you there in the WhatsApp group that we have created?
Yes.
So we will be
Yesterday I
sharing
had
the
joined.
details shortly after I finish this. We will share the details there only.
Oh, okay. So once we join the group, I can tell you I don't have any other issues, like I'm not diabetic, I don't have cholesterol.
Oh, that's great.
Nothing of that sort, but only the knee pain, especially when I climb the stairs. I have to, it's a really terrible pain. And the knee pain has increased after the fall.
Yes. So that's okay. I think it should be taken care of. No problem.
Yeah, I hope I'll recover it. Since I am 68, I don't know. I have no
No,
idea.
there is a ma'am. Don't think about age. The lady who just joined, she's also quite aged. So don't worry about the age. Your motivation should be there that you want to heal yourself.
So I see. So it will be once a week, right?
Yes, it will be once a week, 4 sessions, and approximately 1 hour 15 minutes, and then we'll take it from there.
All right. Okay. Thank you. So please share the details.
Yes, I'll share this on the WhatsApp group.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Rupali?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just need to know.
Can you please
there is a
introduce
friend-
yourself, ma'am?
Yes, my name is Rupali Purandare. I'm from Mumbai.
Okay.
And I just wanted to ask for a friend of mine. She's around 60. And while exercising, if she places her knee on the yoga mat, it starts hurting as if it's pricking. So why is it? Like, what is the reason?
See, it depends how she is, whether it could be a simple alignment problem. Okay.
Okay.
And how she's placing her knee, what is she doing? I need to see all that. That why is it just paining?
Okay. So normally
Hello,
she
ma'am.
complains of it
Can I
hurts.
please
Whenever
finish
she
with
places-
her? Can I please finish with Rupali and then I will answer the rest of yours? Yes, tell me, Rupali.
Yeah, so that was the major thing I needed to know. क्या कर सकते हैं? Why does it happen?
See, I will not be as I tell me.
I can't hear you.
Can somebody please? There is a lot of noise in the background.
Yeah,
Yes.
too much of noise.
Yes. So the thing is, see, it depends. Like when a lot of people who do yoga also know, they come to this session with knee pain. Because they are not doing it properly and the alignment is going. Can you all please maintain the background silence? the participants are not able to hear me and I cannot talk with so much of distance. So what I was saying is that how you placed your feet while doing yoga is very important. So all that needs to be taken care of, whether she's made some mistake and the alignment has gone haywire. So the knee pain, and she's putting a lot of unnecessary weight, and some muscles are overused, the others are underused. So a lot of reasons are there.
Okay. And ma'am, what are the two timings that you had put up?
The two timings is Thursday, it's at 3 p.m. and Saturday 12 p.m.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can I
Yes,
start now?
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah,
Please
this is-
introduce.
This is Dipti. Dipti from Kalyan, Bombay.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, my knees crack a lot. They make a sound.
Okay.
So why does that happen?
No, do you have inflammation with that?
Inflammation, you means a pain?
No, inflammation मतलब आपको सूजन वगैरह है क्या उसमें?
नहीं, सूजन वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. बट जैसे ही मूवमेंट होता है, मैं चलती हूँ, उठती हूँ, बैठती हूँ, तो वो टक टक आवाज आती रहती है.
हाँ, वो कोई इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो एयर बबल्स
नहीं,
के लिए
बट
होता
मेरे
है.
को थोड़ा सा पेन शुरू हो गया है.
हाँ.
I've started pain. A
Okay.
bit of pain. बट अभी आपने जो टो सेपरेशन वाली एक्सरसाइज कराई, तो मेरी स्टिफनेस भी खत्म हो गई.
तो आपके
Just,
पास आंसर खुद आपके पास क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी आपको मिल गया.
नहीं बट इज दैट अ लुब्रिकेशन प्रॉब्लम की स्टिफनेस के हिसाब से आती है क्रैक नॉइज?
नहीं, ये जो क्रैक नॉइज है ना दीप्ति, दैट कैन बी फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ रीजंस. एयर बबल्स के लिए है, और दूसरा आपको पेन क्यों आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे आपका जो इरोजन भी हो रहा है, राइट?
ओके, आई एम 43.
हाँ, दैट्स ओके. 43 क्यों, अभी हमारे पास ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में 32 इयर्स के भी हैं.
ओके,
वो कुछ नहीं है. मसल्स क्या हो रहा है, अभी जो हम लोग खाना पीना कर रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ न्यूट्रिशन तो हमें जाती नहीं है, ठीक है. और मसल्स वीक होते रहते हैं क्योंकि हमारा सारा बैठ के काम है, तो वो मसल्स के ऊपर फोकस होता ही नहीं है, तो मसल इम्बैलेंसेस हो रहा है. तो मसल इम्बैलेंसेस जैसे ही होगा तो एक मसल ओवर यूज हो रहा है, दूसरा अंडर यूज हो रहा है. तो नी को पकड़े रहने के लिए आपको दोनों को बैलेंस तो करना पड़ेगा ना.
ओके. सो दिस इज नथिंग लुब्रिकेशन प्रॉब्लम ना, कि वो नी में लुब्रिकेशन नहीं है इसलिए वो आवाज आती है?
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो. कुछ लुब्रिकेशन का अभी कुछ इश्यूज है. क्रेपिटस बोलते हैं इसको, ये जो नॉइस आता है ना, तो इट्स वेरी कॉमन. पर इन्फ्लेमेशन आपको नहीं है, तो आप अभी से अगर उसको टेक केयर करोगे तो आगे जाके ठीक रहेगा.
Okay, even this will be taken care of in your classes, ma'am?
Yes. See, it's a holistic way of healing, so there is no doubt about it.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
मैं एक क्वेश्चन करना चाहती हूँ.
आप यस अंजू.
हाँ, मैं राखी राखी बाकी हूँ.
राखी
कुछ भी निकाल ले. हेलो.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ, राखी बाकी.
हाँ, बोलिए.
हाँ, तो ये मेरा कमर में दर्द भी है. हाँ, साइटिका का प्रॉब्लम भी थोड़ा हुए थे, तो उसमें तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा ना नीचे लिए जो आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं उसके लिए?
किससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा? आपके जो कमर में दर्द है?
हाँ, उसके जो योगा जो होगा, हाँ, आपने तो कुछ एक्सरसाइज हो गए दिखाई है ना, उसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं, प्रॉब्लम तो कुछ होना ही नहीं है, उल्टा आपको पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट्स ही होने वाला है.
पॉजिटिव होगा. और एक बात है, मैं रिसेंटली वेट लॉस के लिए एक फिटनेस सेंटर में ज्वाइन किए थे, तो वहाँ पे तो वेट ट्रेनिंग फिर जुम्बा बहुत कुछ चीज है, तो करने से मेरा नी में थोड़ा इन्फ्लेमेशन भी आ गई. वो पहले भी हुए थे राइट, तो क्या मैं वो क्लास छोड़ दूँ?
देखिए, वो डिपेंड करता है. अभी जुम्बा हम लोग तो रेकमेंड नहीं करते जिसको प्रॉब्लम्स है, और जुम्बा करना चाहिए वुडन फ्लोर में. आधे से ज्यादा लोग ये ध्यान में नहीं देते.
फ्री हैंड वो भी है.
तो वो डिपेंड करता है कि देखिए, अगर आपका नी प्लेसमेंट ठीक से नहीं हो रहा है, अलाइनमेंट गड़बड़ हो रहा है, तो आपको पेन आएगा ही आएगा.
अच्छा, हाँ, पेन आ गई.
हाँ,
तो वो कंटिन्यू नहीं करना ही अच्छा होगा ना, थोड़ा ये 4-5
फॉर द टाइम बीइंग आप थोड़ा सा नहीं करिए, फिर आप करिएगा बाद में जब आपको थोड़ा सा ठीक हो जाए.
अच्छा. हाँ ठीक है ओके। तो ये क्लास आपको क्लास कब तक है आपको क्लास?
ये थर्सडे को है 12 बजे और सॉरी थर्सडे, हाँ थर्सडे को है और सैटरडे को है। सैटरडे 12 बजे, थर्सडे 3 बजे।
ये फरवरी से होगा?
नहीं नहीं, अभी ये कमिंग थर्सडे से शुरू होगा। मेरा ऑनगोइंग बैचेस चलता ही रहता है ना।
अच्छा 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 ठीक है ओके।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Hello.
Yes, who's this?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, can you please tell me your name?
This is Aruna Doshi.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Aruna Doshi from Rajasthan. I wanted to know if uric acid makes a difference in knee pain. I have high uric acid levels.
See, uric acid, then you get other type of arthritis in that, gout and all, right? If अगर आपका यूरिक एसिड बढ़ा हुआ है तो that's a different, जो अंगूठे पे आता है और नी पे भी कभी कभी आता है अगर क्रिएटिनाइन बढ़ा हुआ है, ठीक है ना, उसको गाउट बोलते हैं। दैट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ आर्थराइटिस, आ सकता है। नहीं, नी पेन में कभी कभी नी में आता है वो, पर ज्यादातर अंगूठे में आता है, बट कभी कभी नी में भी आता है वो गाउट का पेन, जो क्रिएटिनाइन बढ़ने से होता है।
अच्छा, और मैम एक मेरी ना टिंगलिंग सेंसेशंस बहुत होते हैं पाँव में, गरम ठंडा पता ही नहीं पड़ता रात को कि क्या ठंड लग रही है या गर्मी लग रही है पाँव के नीचे।
नहीं तो वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा ना, और क्या क्या आपको प्रॉब्लम्स है, डायबिटीज है, क्या है?
डायबिटीज है,
हाँ तो
हाइपरटेंशन
डायबिटीज,
है,
हाँ तो सबके लिए डायबिटीज के लिए भी होता है, डायबिटिक न्यूरोपैथी भी होता ही है, तो उसके लिए भी आपको गर्म ठंडा पता नहीं चलता है।
But would this webinar be useful for me?
See, the thing is, you have to take a call कि आपको जो ये गर्म ठंडा लग रहा है वो तो देखिए कुछ वो आपका डायबिटीज वगैरह के लिए है, तो उसमें रियली डायरेक्टली हेल्प नहीं करेगा। बट आपका जो जैसे नी पेन है या ओबेसिटी है, तो उसमें हम लोग होलिस्टिक वे में जो हीलिंग करते हैं वो आपको हेल्प करेगा। और मसल का स्ट्रेंथ आप बढ़ाएंगे तो आपका नुकसान तो कुछ होना ही नहीं है, उल्टा आपको अच्छा ही करेगा, ठीक है ना। बट डायरेक्टली आप बोलेंगे गरम ठंडा, तो वो तो देखिए आई डोंट थिंक उसमें रियली हेल्प करेगा, क्योंकि डायबिटिक न्यूरोपैथी एक अलग चीज हो गई।
ओके मैम,
ठीक है,
थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू। Anybody
Hello,
else?
ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I am Payal.
Yes.
And ma'am, मुझे फैब में डॉक्टर ने प्रिस्क्राइब किया था। I have sorry, I forgot its name.
Osteoarthritis.
Arthritis. Sorry, arthritis.
No, that's okay.
And, और my age is 43.
तो वो ठीक है, वो नॉर्मल है आजकल तो।
और मुझे अभी अभी नी में वो जब भी मैं उठती हूँ बैठती हूँ तो वो आवाज क्रैकल जैसा ऐसे आना शुरू हो गया है। सो दैट क्रिएट्स मतलब मेजर इश्यू क्या हो सकता है इसमें?
देखिए, आपको अगर ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस की शुरुआत है, सो दिस इज अ गुड टाइम टू ज्वाइन द प्रोग्राम, और आप अपना अभी से मसल बिल्ड कर लो, क्योंकि आगे जाके फिर बहुत मुश्किल होगा। जब मेनोपॉज हो जाता है, एस्ट्रोजन लेवल नीचे होगा, बोन लॉस शुरू हो जाएगी और दर्द और बढ़ेगा, एंड देन अल्टीमेटली इट विल लीड टू एन ऑपरेशन। तो उससे बेटर है आप अभी टेक चार्ज ऑफ योर नी हेल्थ।
तभी मुझे स्टेयर्स में मैं ऊपर नीचे करती हूँ तो वो थोड़ा नी में थोड़ा पेन जैसा होता है। एंड डॉक्टर सजेस्टेड इफ यू विल नॉट टेक केयर देन मे बी आफ्टर 4 years यू विल गो फॉर नी रिप्लेसमेंट।
हाँ, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि आपको अभी से टेक केयर करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आपका एज भी कम है। अभी आराम से सब टेक केयर हो जाता है, और जितना डिले करेंगे
क्योर और नहीं, ये हम थोड़ा इसे डिले कर सकते हैं।
नहीं क्योर देखिए, ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस अगर स्टेज 1, 2 और 3 है तब तो क्योर भी होता है। डिपेंड्स आप कितना खुद से कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो। और स्टेज 4 में वो क्योर नहीं होता है, वो ऑपरेशन ही इलाज है उसका।
हाँ, नहीं मेरा ये फैब 2020 में ही प्रेडिक्ट हुआ कि मेरा ये
हाँ तो आपका तो ठीक हो जाएगा, क्योंकि एज भी कम है ना आपका।
क्या उसके दिन आई विल डेफिनेटली जॉइन योर प्रोग्राम मेडिकल
थैंक यू सो
योगा।
मच। ओके,
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
Hello,
Anybody
ma'am.
else? Yes.
This is Anju here.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, this is Anju Mehta here.
Yes, tell me, Anju ma'am.
Yeah, I've been having osteoarthritis for a few years.
Okay.
If I strain, I have a pain. Otherwise, routine, if I'm in routine, I don't have any issues. So
Okay.
what do you think I'm supposed to do further on? Because I'm 50-year-old and menopause is on.
Yeah, so that's what, as I was telling to the earlier participant, you don't have any problems as such, I feel. It's just that your muscle is weak because you yourself are saying when I strain too much, it starts paining. That means आपको exercise की ही जरूरत है and specific exercises that you are do away with this, or जैसे ही you approach your menopause, you don't suffer from this further.
Okay, and one more thing, like if I sit for a long time and then I get up, there's a pain on the right side of the knee, on the right. It's very painful, and after a few steps, then I'm okay. What about that?
So that is also stiffness, nothing else.
Okay, stiffness. That is like, what is the solution again?
What
for that?
happens when you sit, your quad muscles is also relaxing. That's why we say that whenever, for everybody, for all human beings, do not sit for very long. आपको mobility रखना है body में. So keep walking, sitting, walking, sitting. Don't sit at one length because again the quadricep muscles are relaxing. Or if your muscles are not built up, वो stiffness बैठ जाता है. And then you get up and it starts paining.
So again, what is the exercises? What is it? Is it?
Yes, yes, definitely. It's a holistic way. Not only exercise, there's breathing, there's acupressure points, there's exercise, modified yoga poses, a lot of things to it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll join in.
Yes.
Can I come in?
Yes, can you tell me your name, please?
I'm Aparna. I'm calling from Bangalore.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah. See, actually, about 3 years back, I was diagnosed of osteoarthritis. And क्या हुआ कि मैं किसी फ्रेंड्स के गेट टुगेदर में गई थी. उसके पहले तक तो मुझे बिल्कुल मैं नॉर्मल थी और मुझे कोई इसकी कोई आशंका नहीं थी, कोई भनक नहीं थी. Only during that outing, I walked a lot. And then, after I came back, the shooting pain started. फिर थोड़े दिन में भी कम नहीं हुआ. फिर जब, I went to an orthopedician, and then, we went through the x-rays and all those things. And it was a confirmed osteoarthritis case. Okay. And उसके बाद उन्होंने शुरू में तो थोड़ा सा पेन किलर्स वगैरह दिया. मैं बहुत कम ही लेना चाहती थी क्योंकि मुझे मालूम था कि इसके ऊपर डिपेंड हो जाऊंगी तो आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते ज्यादा होने लगेगा. उसके बाद पता नहीं, उसके बाद वो मेरा पेन तो नहीं है, बट मुझे सीढ़ी चढ़ने में बस लेफ्ट लेग के कारण से दिक्कत होती है. अदरवाइज आई एम जस्ट कैरिंग ऑन विद माय नॉर्मल रूटीन. मुझे कोई पेन नहीं होता है. बट आई वांट टू टेक प्रिकॉशन नाउ. And I'm actually 60-year-old and I'm diabetic, hypertensive. तो मुझे ये पूछना था कि उस समय इतना इंटेंस और शूटिंग पेन आया, उसके बाद डायग्नोसिस हुआ, उसके बाद थोड़े दिन मैंने पेन किलर लिया, उसके बाद पेन किलर भी नहीं है. मैं आई एम नॉट ऑन एनी मेडिसिन फॉर आर्थराइटिस नाउ. Okay. Then is it really, एक्सरे में तो दिखा रहा है कि बोन का जो बीच का स्पेस है वो कम हो गया है. और I have undergone total hysterectomy when I was 41. So what I want to ask from you is that यदि ये सब बोन का स्पेस कम हो गया है, उसके जो बीच का फ्लूइड है वो खत्म हो गया है, वो रीजनरेट नहीं होता है, ऐसा पढ़ा है. तो I mean, your exercises, is it possible to bring back the original state of the knee, or it is going to arrest at this?
No, it will arrest तो खैर करेगा ही and bring back. See, again, osteoarthritis का there are 4 stages, right? Now, what I understand from what you are saying is I don't think your stage is like 3 or 4. So in that case, it can come back to its normal form also. ठीक है. So again, that depends आपने कितना discipline से करना है. Whatever is taught in class, it all depend on that. Because if my classes are there and you don't do it, then it will not impact. That is very very clear. And this is a lifelong learning जो आपके साथ ही रहेगा, और आपको जब प्रॉब्लम होता है, you will be able to consciously be aware that ये मुझे करना है for my. Can we have a little less background noise? Okay. So what was I saying? Yeah. So the thing is, this is a
I
lifelong.
have to continue the practice.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now my only question is that other than अभी सीढ़ी चढ़ने के लिए मुझे जो that too I feel कि मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा डर गई, उसके कारण से I have added the stiffness I feel, because just before I was diagnosed I was I was able to manage all the activities, but that is the only constraint I'm having now to.
No, but you were able to manage, so it was still paining, but you were managing, right?
No, there was no pain at all.
अच्छा, there was no pain. Okay.
There was no pain. Only when हम लोग get together में गए और उस दिन 2-3 दिन खूब चले जब हम लोग outing हुए.
हाँ, तो मतलब आपका देखिए, मुझे जो समझ में आता है, आपका मसल्स तो वीक है, क्योंकि द थिंग इज कि उतना वो ले नहीं पा रहा है उतना स्ट्रेन. ठीक है. एजिंग इज अनदर प्रोसेस, और आपका हिस्टेक्टोमी हुआ है, तो वो सब चीज बॉडी में इम्पैक्ट करता है ना.
हिस्टेक्टोमी, डायबिटिक एंड
डायबिटिक है, तो ये सब कुछ इम्पैक्ट करता है बॉडी पे.
So my only question coming to final thing is, so it can be arrested at this stage, because मैं जिस स्टेज में अभी हूँ, इतना भी रह लूं तो बहुत है. मतलब मुझे कोई चीज का कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं लगा है सीढ़ी चढ़ने का.
तो वही मैंने बताया ना आप. यस, तो वही मैंने बताया, आप अरेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं, और द थिंग इज कि आप
third stage and fourth stage is difficult, but if you are just beginning it there, you can come back to that stage 1.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, bye. Anybody else before we close the session?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Payal. Again, I want to ask you one question.
Yes, tell me.
Once a week, that will be okay for yoga session?
Ma'am, that's what, like we had a lady coming up live. So we've been having these sessions back to back, and nobody is facing any problem, because the thing is, हफ्ते में एक बार हम लोग इसलिए कराते हैं ताकि पूरा वीक आप प्रैक्टिस कर सको, and you can send me the videos, and I also see the videos in the class also. So once a week is good enough, because we are only taking care of the knee pain exercise, that is from the hip till the ankle.
Okay, right. And may I know, see, I don't know about your that you are particular doctor or from.
No, I am not a doctor. I am basically a yoga therapist, and I've been into corporate yoga. I do continuous workshops, and I have these back pain sessions, knee pain sessions, having these.
Okay. Right.
I've been into this for last 30 years.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, great. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, tell me.
I also want to ask a question.
Yeah, tell me.
अभी बॉडी चेकअप कराया था.
आप प्लीज अपना नाम बताइए, so that I can address you accordingly.
Richa.
Okay, Richa. Tell me, Richa.
You can take another query. I will talk afterwards. Actually वो रिपोर्ट मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है, तो सर्च कर रही हूँ उसको.
नहीं, तो रिपोर्ट आपको दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप जो क्वेश्चन है वो पूछ लीजिए ना. रिपोर्ट हम ऐसे भी अभी तो नहीं देखेंगे ना.
Rheumatoid
rheumatic arthritis है आपको. अरे हाँ, ठीक है.
25 मेरा आया था, और 25 उसमें ये लिखा था ऑन द वर्ज रिस्क फैक्टर पर हूँ, जो आर्थराइटिस जिसने की.
अरे म्यूट माने गूंगा होता है. अनम्यूट माने बात की आवाज नहीं. म्यूट माने बात करने का होता है. हां, तो म्यूट.
Excuse me, please, I cannot hear.
अपनी बात बोलो.
मैम, तो आप अपना क्वेश्चन मेरे को थोड़ा ब्रीफली बता दीजिए.
From Kolkata.
I have not finished with this lady, please.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yes. Can you continue, please?
या वो एक्चुअली मुझे वो प्रॉपर वर्ड याद नहीं आ रहा है क्या
मैम आपका
फैक्टर था
क्वेश्चन
जो
क्या है वो आप पूछ लीजिए ना, आपको प्रॉपर वर्ड नहीं याद आ रहा है वो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं।
वो जो पैरामीटर था वो 25 था और 25 से अबव होगा तो प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन उसमें लिखा था 25 पर है तो बिल्कुल वर्ज पर है, जो इम्प्लीकेशंस होते हैं रिपोर्ट में, थायरोकेयर की रिपोर्ट
आपको मैम
और
आपको प्रॉब्लम अभी क्या है वो मुझे बताइए।
मुझे वेरिकोस भी है, नी पेन भी है, प्लस मेरे स्वेलिंग भी रहती है जैसे पैरों
तो
में,
आपको
और
अगर
थायराइड
देखिए, आपको र्यूमेटिक अर्थराइटिस है जो ऑटो इम्यून डिजीज है, राइट? ठीक है, तो र्यूमेटिक
नहीं, वो
अर्थराइटिस
वही पूछना है क्योंकि इससे पहले कभी वो चीज ऐसा लगा नहीं कि ये जो रिपोर्ट में बस वो 25 आया है वो भी अभी बस वर्ज पर है। जैसे डायबिटीज अगर 99 है तो वो या उस तरह से मतलब अभी हाँ, तो अभी वो ऑटो इम्यून डिसीज वो अभी डेवलप नहीं हुई है, बट क्या उसके लिए मुझे प्रिकॉशन लेनी चाहिए?
प्रिकॉशन लेना तो ऑलवेज बेटर है, बट हम आपको ये भी बता दें आरए जो है वो ऑटो इम्यून डिजीज है, उसका कोई कुछ कर नहीं सकता है, बट आप एक्सरसाइज करके अपने को ठीक रख सकते हो। आई विल नॉट से कि उसका क्योर हो जाएगा, नहीं, वो अरेस्ट हो सकता है, वो आपको पेन कम देगा तो आप पेन किलर कम खाओगे, आगे जाके आपको डेवलप नहीं होगा और थोड़ा स्लो होगा प्रोग्रेस, यही हो सकता है।
बट ऑटो इम्यून डिसीज है या नहीं वो मैं कैसे पता लगाऊं कि मुझे वो डिसीज है
ये तो आपको जो आप जहाँ से टेस्ट कराएं वो आपको बता देगा ना कि है कि नहीं, वो हम कैसे बताएं।
नहीं, वो मैं तो गई थी उनसे अपनी रिपोर्ट लेके, फिजिशियन अच्छे फिजिशियन है उनके पास गई, बट मेरे पास हार्ड कॉपी थी नहीं, सॉफ्ट कॉपी में वो एड्रेस नहीं की, बाकी थायराइड और विटामिन डी का तो एड्रेस कर दिया बाद
तो
में।
वो तो
उस
आप
टाइम
उनको दिखाना पड़ेगा ना, वो हम आपको कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं, वो तो आप उन्हीं को दिखाइए और पूछिए क्या है नहीं।
अच्छा, तो वैसे मतलब ऑटोइम्यून डिजीज में ज्यादातर मेडिटेशन वगैरह ही हेल्प करेगा, ये आसन वगैरह तो कुछ हेल्प कर नहीं पाएंगे?
नहीं, हमने आपको क्या बोला, आसन जो है आपको हर तरह से हेल्प करेगा, बट र्यूमेटिक अर्थराइटिस जो है वो ऑटो इम्यून डिजीज है, तो ऑटो इम्यून डिजीज का नॉर्मली क्योर नहीं होता है, ठीक है ना? क्योर, एक मिनट मेरे को खत्म करने दीजिए। तो क्योर नहीं होता है, बट आपको जो प्रॉब्लम्स है वो आपका डिले हो जाएगा, धीरे प्रोग्रेस होगा अगर आप मस्कुलर बिल्डअप करो तो।
उसमें ये लिखा था कि आपके बॉडी की जो सेल्स हैं वो आपकी सेल्स को अटैक करती हैं, आपकी बॉडी की
तो वही तो ऑटो
वो
इम्यून का डिजीज का मतलब ही वही है मैम।
ठीक है मैम,
ठीक है, थैंक यू। यस, somebody was speaking, can you any other questions? Any questions? So should we close the session if nobody has any questions? One ma'am was asking, Ujjwala ma'am, I think from Kolkata. So should we call it a close if nobody has any questions? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Good night. And all the details will be sent to you on the WhatsApp group, so you can follow it from there. Yes, anybody with any questions? Okay, so we end the meeting here. Yeah. Thank you so much.